The U.S. Department of Agriculture indicates to a family of 4 needs a food budget that ideally should be around $900 per month. Leveraging the right credit card for this expenditure can yield over $500 in rewards annually. Therefore, in this video, we will explore 7 distinct credit cards tailored to help you earn a minimum of 4% cash back on grocery store purchases. The initial card we'll discuss is tailored for individuals spending between $3,200 and $6,000 annually in U.S. supermarkets. This bracket aligns closely with the Department of Agriculture's food budget recommendations for an individual adult. This cashback card offers an enticing 6% return on U.S. supermarket purchases, up to the first $6,000 spent annually. Beyond this threshold, additional supermarket spending earns a mere 1% cashback. Additionally, cardholders benefit from an unlimited 6% cash back on select U.S. streaming subscriptions and 3% cash back at U.S. gas stations and transit locations. This card is none other than the Amex Blue Cash Preferred. However, it's essential to note that while the 6% cashback appears lucrative, this card comes with a $95 annual fee. Therefore, the decision to acquire this card hinges on whether the 6% cashback on groceries and streaming services justifies the annual fee. Moreover, Amex offers an alternative card, the Blue Cash Everyday, with no annual fee but a reduced grocery multiplier of 3% cash back. To attain an effective cashback value of 3% with the Blue Cash Preferred, considering the annual fee, one must spend at least $3,200 in the 6% cashback categories. Nevertheless, the Blue Cash Preferred truly shines for individuals nearing the $6,000 cap at grocery stores. Maxing out the grocery category for the year yields $360 in cash back, resulting in an effective value of $265 after deducting the annual fee. This equates to approximately 4.4% cash back, considering the initial $6,000 in spending. Additionally, the card often features a competitive welcome offer, typically $250 in cash back when spending $3,000 within the first 6 months of membership. Furthermore, cardholders gain access to Amex offers, providing additional value through statement credits. Moving on to the next card on our list, this popular option offers 5% cash back on the highest eligible spending category and 1% cash back on all other purchases. While this card includes grocery stores as one of its eligible 5% cash back categories, the cash back is capped at $500 in spending per billing cycle. Despite the cap, the card offers 9 other cashback categories qualifying for 5% cashback, making it versatile. This card is none other than the Citi Custom Cash, which boasts no annual fee, ensuring cardholders keep all their cash back rewards. Additionally, it features a welcome offer of $200 in cash back after spending $1,500 on purchases within the first 6 months of account opening. Our next card not only provides 5% cash back at grocery stores, but also offers 3% cash back on gas, electric vehicle charging stations, wholesale clubs, streaming services, pharmacy purchases, and AAA purchases, with 1% back on everything else. This no annual fee card, the AAA Daily Advantage Visa, presents a compelling option, particularly for individuals seeking a well-rounded card, especially if they frequent wholesale clubs. Though the 5% cashback at grocery stores has a cap, it surpasses the limits of previously mentioned cards. Notably, applicants do not need to be AAA members to apply for this card. For individuals with substantial grocery spending, this card offers a lucrative option, earning 4x points on up to $25,000 in U.S. supermarket purchases annually. The card also includes a 4x multiplier on restaurant spending, uncapped. The Amex Gold Card, while not providing cash back directly, offers various redemption options for its points, with potential values exceeding 1 cent per point. However, this card comes with a $250 annual fee. offset by statement credits and benefits such as dining credits and airport lounge access, exclusive to Verizon Wireless customers. The Verizon Visa card provides unlimited 4% cashback on grocery store and gas purchases, 3% back on dining purchases, and 2% back on Verizon purchases. With no annual fee and a welcome offer of a $100 statement credit after meeting spending requirements, this card offers solid rewards for everyday spending, especially for Verizon customers. Ideal for those seeking a single, versatile card, the US Bank Altitude Reserve offers 3x points on travel and mobile wallet spending, which includes groceries if your store accepts digital wallets. Points can be redeemed for travel at a value of 1.5 cents per point, effectively providing a 4.5% return on eligible spending. Although it comes with a $400 annual fee, the card offers significant travel credits and perks to offset the cost. The Chase Freedom Flex offers 5x points in rotating quarterly categories, including grocery stores, for 1 quarter each year. This no annual fee card often features welcome offers with elevated rewards for initial spending. While the 5x categories rotate, savvy users can maximize rewards during the grocery store quarter, making it a valuable addition to their wallet. Pro tip from Profitability Plus: maximize your credit card benefits by paying in full. Many American credit card users fall into a costly trap by only paying the minimum amount due each month. This habit leads to unnecessary interest payments and prolonged debt. Credit cards typically carry high interest rates, sometimes reaching up to 2% monthly, compounded. This means that carrying a balance not only incurs interest on the principal amount, but also on the accumulated interest itself. To make the most of your credit card rewards and avoid finance charges, prioritize paying the full amount due by the due date. Disregard the minimum payment and aim to clear your balance entirely each month. Pro tip from Profitability Plus: safeguard your credit cards against theft and fraud. While credit cards come equipped with security features like the EMV chip, hologram, security code, and signature panel, it's essential to recognize that they aren't impervious to unauthorized use by individuals with malicious intent. Exercise caution when using your credit card online. Before making any online purchases, scrutinize the website's URL address. A secure site begins with HTTPS, not HTTP, and features a padlock icon. Avoid storing your credit card information on websites by opting out of saving your details when prompted. Thank you for joining us at Profitability Plus today as we explored a multitude of credit card options designed to enhance your grocery shopping experience. We are grateful for your time and attention as we delved into the intricacies of each card, providing insights and recommendations to help you make informed decisions about your financial choices.